Hi, I'm Dustin Williams here on behalf of Expert Village here at A.A. Callister's. And today I'm going to talk about boots you use for what. You might ask yourself, well, I got a boot and I want to use it for, going out and doing some rodeo. So we got something like this here. This is Olathe, really nice boot. They're handmade. This one here defined as basically a working boot, but mainly for horses in rodeo. Because of the riding heel, this spur lip here and the rawhide heel makes it ideal for rodeo. Well, if you're going on a night on a town, you might need something like this dress boot here, which we've seen before. So here's a Lucchese. It's got it's a 50s style with a nice vintage wingtip and the scab on the toe. It's made of buffalo and the wingtip's lizard skin. Now that's for a nice dress boot, keeping it nice. Now if you're out working, welding, all that good stuff, we got a work boot here. Now this is Justin. Justin makes quite a wide variety of work boots, some of the best on the market. Basically they'll be simple, but have a nice aggressive tread. Some also come in steel toe. Now if you want just like an everyday boot, looking nice but casual, we have something, Ariat. Here's the best for that. We have casual boots such as this. This is a nice 70s style square toe. Really nice. Now they're really low and simple because obviously you don't have to polish them, which is nice, making them a nice casual boot. We also have, for other styles, we have basically, you got your roper. Once again, you'll see that they are an oiled boot because casual boots usually are low maintenance. As we move on, we got other styles of casual boots. Some are a little more dressier than others. We got some like these ones here. Casual, yet dressy. You can wear these with a suit or just with a pair of jeans, which is real nice. And those are just a few select styles of boots.